Hello student, myself Anirudh Dobriyal, and student, today we will do exercise 1.4, and for that exercise I want to discuss some formula with you first. So it is about decimal expansion. So student, the decimal expansion of a rational number p upon q, where q is not equal to 0, where p and q are co-primes, is terminating if q is of the form 2 to the power n 5 to the power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. Any decimal expansion will be terminating if its denominator, if this is p upon q is a number, so q is denominator, it is a rational number, so q is denominator, and this q is of the form like this is 7 upon 10, so 10 we can factorize 2 into 5, so this 2 into 5 is of the form 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1, so it is of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. If denominator, we don't have to think about its numerator, we have to think about its denominator only. So if it is of the form 2 to the power m and 5 to the power m, 2 to the power n, 5 to the power n, m, so this type of rational number will be terminating. Now the decimal expansion of a rational number p upon q, q is not equal to 0, will non-terminating repeating if q is not of the form 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m, where n and m are non-negative integers. So what type of numbers will be non-terminating repeating? Like we have 13 upon 21, so if we are factorizing 21, so 3 into 7 will come. So you can clearly observe that there is not any 2 or any 5 in denominator, so it is not of the form 2 to the power m, 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. So the type of the expansion will be non-terminating repeating. And note down one point, that decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. It is non-terminating. We discussed about irrational number in last exercise, root 5, root 2, root 3, root 7. Many other numbers are irrational number. So the type of the numbers are non-terminating and non-repeating. One more thing you have to keep in your mind, two natural numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factors. You should know what are prime numbers. So like if we have 2 and 5, so you can clearly observe that 2 and 5 don't have any factor common except 1. Only 1 is common factor of these two. Otherwise these two numbers don't have any other common factor. That's why these are co-primes. So the number which don't have any common factor except 1 are prime numbers. Exercise 1.4, we have question number 1. Without actual performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. I have a written question here. We are following NCERT book, so you can check question from NCERT book also. These are the same questions. Question number 1, 13 upon 3, 1, 2, 5. So when we are prime factorizing 3, 1, 2, 5, so this is coming 3, 1, 2, 5 is equal to 5 to the power 5 is coming. So which is of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. Here 2 to the power 0 is here. It means if you don't have 2, so it will also be a terminating decimal expansion. M is equal to 5. So the rational number 13 upon 3, 1, 2, 5 has a terminating decimal expansion. It is a terminating decimal expansion because its denominator is of the form 2 to the power m and 5 to the 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m, where 2 to the power where n is equal to 0. So it means if denominator contains 2 or 5 or 2 or 5 both together, then it will be a terminating decimal expansion. Next question, 17 upon 8. So when we are prime factorizing it, so 2 to the power 3 is coming. So it is also of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, where n is equal to 3 and m is equal to 0. If 5 is not coming, only 2 is coming, then it will also be a terminating in decimal expansion. And if 2 is not coming, only 5 is coming, then it is a terminating decimal expansion. Or if 2 and 5 both are coming, then it is also a terminating decimal expansion. But if 2 and 5 is coming and one more number means except 2 or 3, like 3 is coming with 2 or 5, or 7 is coming with 2 or 5, so it will not be a terminating decimal expansion. In that case, it will be a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Question number 1, third part, it is 64 upon 455. When we are prime factorizing 455, it is coming 5 into 7 into 13. So here 5 is there, but 7 and 13 is also coming. It means it is not of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m, because 7 and 13 is coming in this. So the rational number has a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. It's 29 upon 343. So 343 is equal to 7 to the power 3, which is not of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. No 2 or no 5 is coming here. So the rational number has a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now we have its ninth part, 35 upon 50. When we are cancelling it out, 7 upon 10 is coming. So 7 upon 10. Now 10 is equal to 2 into 5. It means 2 to the power 5 to the power 1. So q is equal to 2 into 5, which is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, where n is equal to 1 and m is equal to 1. So rational number has a terminating decimal expansion. Now question number 2, we have write down the decimal expansion of those rational number in question number 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. Just now we only check which one is terminating or which one is non-terminating. Now we have to solve it. We have to change it in decimal expansion. So like we have 13 upon 3125. So 13 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is coming. So what you have to do, you have to make this 5 10. So we will multiply 2 with each of the 5 in denominator. So those 2 will be multiplied in numerator also, like 2 into 5. I add 1 2, multiply 2 here, multiply 2 here, multiply 2 here, 2 2. So I multiply 5 times here also. So it will be 13 into 32 upon 5 times 10. So 416 upon 1 lakh it is. Then it will come 20 will be added here. So it will come 0.00416. So 0.00416 is the required answer of this question. Now second part, we have 17 upon 8. So 17 upon 2 into 2 into 2 we can write. Now we made this 2 10. So obviously it will multiply by 5 5 5, and these 3 5 will multiply in numerator also. So it will become 17 into 125 upon 10 into 10 into 10. So 2125 upon 1000. So 2.125 will be the required answer. Now its third part is 64 upon 455. Its factors are 5 into 7 into 13. So it is a non-terminating decimal expansion, so we don't have to do it. Its fourth part, 15 upon 1600. So 15 upon 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2 will come when we will factorize. So 15 upon 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 2 we will take with 2 to the power 5. So it will become 15 into, and in this 2 to the power 4 we will add 5 to the power 4 also. So it will become 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 2, and this 5 to the power 2 will also multiply in numerator. So it will become 15 into 625 upon 1 to the power 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it will become 0.009375. Now question number 3 we have. Question number 2, remaining parts is of the same type. You try it, and if you have any query you can ask me. Now question number 3 we have, the following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form P upon Q, what can you say about prime factors of Q? So this one is the first part, 43.1234568 So it is a terminating because it is terminating at 9. So it is represent a rational number because it is a terminating decimal expansion. So it will become a rational number. It will not irrational because irrational number cannot be terminated. It is non-terminating repeating. So thus 43.12345 up to 9 is equal to P upon Q, where Q will be 10 to the power 9. So this is our answer. So number 3, second part we have 0.120 1200 12000 12000 up to so on. Non-terminating and it is a non-terminating and non-repeating because here it is 120, here it is 1200, here it is 12000. So 0 is every time 0 is increasing, so it is non-repeating also, and it is a irrational number because it is non-terminating and non-repeating, that's why it is a irrational number. Now third part we have 43.12345 up to 9 bar is non-terminating but repeating. It is a rational number of non-terminating type but repeating. Thus 43.123 up to 9 is equal to P upon Q, where Q is equal to 99999 it will be. So this exercise is complete today. Thank you very much.